How to do blue comments on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to do blue comment on TikTok. Without further ado, let's begin. First, make sure your app is up to date. Tap to launch TikTok. Now you simply need to find the video where you want to leave a blue comment. Make sure your comment is related to the video. So tap on the comment icon at top right corner on this particular video and you can add a comment. Type in your comment and post it. After posting, you simply need to wait a few minutes for your comment to appear. Exit from TikTok and fully close the application and reopen TikTok app. Before that, make sure you have leave a comment or like this video so that it will show on your interaction page. Proceed by tapping profile icon at bottom right corner and simply go to likes at top right, which is heart like icon, and open the same video. Now you can simply open the comments and then you can see that your comments will now turn blue. So with this, you are good to go. You will successfully do a blue comments on TikTok. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.